Rescheduling an appointment. Obviously, you can drag and drop, you can cut and paste. However, there's a more sophisticated way to reschedule to avoid adding notes to document why you reschedule or when did you reschedule from. So if you use the more sophisticated way of rescheduling reason, so if I right click here and did reschedule, what it does, it takes it to what's called a waiting list and you move to the date that you want to reschedule it to. So maybe I want to move it to the 18th and just drag and drop to the spot that you want. So what happened here is when you open this appointment, you're going to see that it was rescheduled and the time date was it originally and by who. Your initial will be here for whatever login you log in if you have security. I hope you found that helpful. Click below for the complete Medisoft Online Academy by MicroEyes, or you should know that if you sign up for the Medisoft Cloud by MicroEyes, you will get the complete online academy at no additional charge. Also, we provide one-on-one training. Let's get your practice running at peak efficiency. Don't compromise. Go MicroEyes.